Bonjour! In today's video, Max
Hey
is
guys!
Bonjour! Max is going to teach us how to sound like a pro French speaker using le Verlan method or l'argot, and will quiz us on this.
Be ready.
Be ready. So, Max, tell me how to sound more like a pro French speaker.
Well, Alexa, if you can master how to speak le Verlan in French, then you have pretty much mastered the art of a spoken French.
Really?
Yes.
So what is le Verlan?
Le Verlan is all about inverting syllables
Okay.
in certain words in French. For example, the word bizarre would be
Bizarre, zarbi.
very well.
Zarbi. Here
There
we
you
go.
go. There you go.
Okay, so I don't use le Verlan probably because I'm too old. But what
No comment.
other words? But what other words can you tell me?
Well, let me give you a list and try to guess what French words they are.
Okay,
Right?
superb. Okay, so what we're going to do is maybe leave 5 seconds after the first second and so on
Yeah.
after each word so that our audience can actually guess what the word is. And by the way, Verlan is also a word flipped.
Exactly.
Verlan is l'envers.
L'envers.
À l'envers, meaning the inside out,
Or
also
upside down.
or upside down, that means as well, and the wrong side out in, I don't know, Verlan. L'envers. What is the first word?
So the first word we're going to try to find is mon rep. What do you think?
Mon rep, okay. Let's give some times mon rep. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but it's funny because it's not technically a syllable, so should I take the last letter P, mon père, mon père.
Very
mon
well.
Père, mon
There
père,
you go.
mon
See?
père. So my father, mon rep. Okay, put that
There.
in a sentence. What is it?
Mon rep est tout le temps sur mon dos, c'est une dinguerie.
Mon rep est tout le temps sur mon dos, c'est une dinguerie. Donc mon père est tout le temps sur mon dos. He's always on my back, but not literally on my back.
Not literally, of
No,
course.
c'est une dinguerie. C'est dingue, c'est une dinguerie. So, mon père est toujours en train de me surveiller. Yeah?
That's correct.
It's like he's always on my case or
That
looking
is,
at what I'm
yes.
doing. C'est dingue. C'est dingue. And dingue?
Dingue is like, it's crazy. You know,
Right.
c'est fou, c'est incroyable. Enfin,
So
c'est trop.
So it's not quite a Verlan dingue, it's a
Oh,
slang.
no, yeah, exactly. It's
a
more a slang word.
So the next one.
The next one, cheum.
Cheum. Moche. Moche.
Yes.
Moche. Moche.
This one is a bit easier than
Yeah,
the previous
moche,
one. Yeah.
actually.
Yes, yeah.
Moche. But again, moche, M-O-C-H-E, but cheum, C-H-E-U-M. You know, who decided that spelling? It's weird. Okay, weird. So put that in a sentence.
In a sentence, that would be, non, désolé, mais c'est trop cheum.
Non, désolé, like sorry, c'est trop moche. It's too ugly.
It's too ugly.
Okay,
But-
talking about what?
But that can be an object, that can be a situation. Yes. So
Okay, so
it can be used
it
for
can be, and
pretty
can
much
you
anything.
use that for someone? Cette
You
personne
can.
est chum.
It's quite offensive, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Okay,
It's like
so
not a nice way to.
no,
Right.
no. Okay. Well, let's talk about chum in a more of a situation type.
Exactly. Yes.
Next one.
The next one is one of my favorite as well. I always use it. It's être teubé.
Teubé. Être teubé. Okay, leave it a while for my for our watchers to guess what it is. Être teubé. Alors être remains être to be, yeah.
That's
and
correct.
teubé. So I invert the syllables bête. Être bête.
C'est ça.
To be
Absolument.
like dumb or
Être
stupid
bête.
or être teubé. So in a sentence, what does
In
it
a
look
sentence, I would say non mais faut être teubé pour faire ça, gars.
like? Non mais il faut être bête pour faire ça. So one has to be really stupid to do that. Yeah. Il faut être teubé pour faire ça. It doesn't sound natural to me at all.
No?
None of these words sound natural.
I
at
just
all.
like, for me, it's really part
yeah,
of
second nature.
my vocabulary. Second nature. Another word, very easy to find, this one, is ouf. C'est ouf.
I know this one. I never use it, but I know that it means c'est fou. Fou.
Voilà,
Like it's crazy, it's mad. But in a good way?
In a good way, yeah. Like it can be anything. If you're talking about you're going to a music festival and the DJ is like launching a new set and it's amazing. It's oh my God, c'est fou, c'est ouf.
C'est ouf. Par exemple, c'est un truc de ouf.
C'est un truc de ouf.
Oui, c'est un truc de ouf. Donc ça veut dire c'est fou, c'est génial.
C'est génial.
C'est chouette, c'est surprenant. Etc.
Mais c'est définitivement ça a une connotation positive. Connotation positive, yeah.
Okay, so let's go with another word.
The new word is Téma.
Téma.
So that would be
Téma.
Very easy, this one.
Oh yeah, because invert again, so maté. Maté.
Very well.
So what does it mean, maté?
Maté is like look at something. It's like maybe with a bit of insistence.
Okay. Téma. For example, put that in a sentence. It would be.
Téma ce qu'il fait lui. It's like directing someone's sight on something that's happening around.
Téma ce qu'il fait. So maté ce qu'il fait lui, as in. But it's interesting because it means regarde.
It means regarde,
so,
absolument.
To look. Regarde ce qu'il fait lui. Look at what he's doing. Him. Okay. But maté is slang for regarder. So what we've done, we've taken the slang word for regarder and we flipped it. Téma. This is crazy. As well as slang, it also became a Verlan word. That's crazy.
The next word would be les yep.
Les yep. Okay, this is crazy. Les yep.
You get it?
Pieds.
Yes.
Les pieds, les yep, les pieds, the feet. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, put that in a sentence and what does it become?
In a sentence, I could say mes nouvelles pompes me tuent les yep. Elles sont trop petites.
Okay, so that's interesting because you're using pompe and that's a slang word for chaussures, shoes.
Oops.
So les pieds are feet. Mes nouvelles pompes me tuent les pieds. So that's such a crazy slang sentence that, elles sont trop petites. So in a normal French, what would it be?
In a normal French, that would be mes nouvelles chaussures me font mal aux pieds. Elles sont trop petites.
Voilà, quite simply. This is very crazy. I mean, for all the watchers out there learning French, once you've mastered the Verlan and the argot, then you're pretty much master the whole French, I think. This is hard. Mes nouvelles chaussures, my new shoes, pompe, okay, me tuent les pieds, as in they're killing my feet. Okay, the yep, not pied. Elles sont trop petites, they are too small. And by the way, why are we using L? This is the teacher and me needing to tell you. It's because chaussure is feminine here, okay? And not only feminine, it is plural as well. So elles sont, they are too small.
The next word would be wham.
Wham.
And it's not Wham that sings Wake Me Up. It's not that one. It could be, but it's not.
It's not. What's his name? George Michael. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Wake me up.
I got this. I had this one. I had it.
Okay. Wham. Moi.
That's it.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So in a sentence, what does it like?
In a sentence, on va chez Wham pour l'apéro.
On va chez Wham pour l'apéro. On va chez moi pour l'apéritif.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Well.
In that sentence, you've got two words. One is a Verlan, Wham, and one is a slang, l'apéro. And an apéritif, we know, is the little drink you have before a meal. Yeah, l'apéritif.
It's very used in French.
But we use apéro much more because I know I use it a lot.
Definitely.
So a lot. Shame to say, but I do use that word a lot. Okay, the next word.
No judgment. The next word would be mon Reuf.
Mon Reuf.
Mm-hmm. If you think about it, about the words we used up until now, or we reviewed up until now, one of it was
so
very
we take
similar.
The f, the re, fre, a bit like mon rep.
Yes.
So mon père
Absolument,
is
that's
going
correct.
to be mon frère.
Mhm.
Crazy, because it's not Verlan per se. It's not a word à l'envers.
Not exactly.
C'est pas
yeah.
un mot à l'envers. It's wow. Okay. So in a sentence,
In a
what
sentence,
does it look like?
C'est ton rep qui vient te chercher? Non, c'est mon ref.
Ok. C'est ton père qui vient te chercher. Your father is picking you up. Non, c'est mon frère. No, it's my brother is picking me up.
You're getting there. I can tell you get it.
The last word that I use a lot, actually, what is it?
The last word would be chelou.
Chelou.
C'est chelou.
C'est chelou. I use this one weirdly. That's the only Verlan word that I use. Chelou is louche. And that means it's dodgy.
It's dodgy, it's weird.
C'est chelou,
yeah,
it's
there's something going on there.
C'est zarbi.
Yeah.
C'est zarbi. For example, you put that in a sentence.
And for example, as we did earlier,
yeah.
C'est super zarbi. C'est chelou cette histoire.
Ouais. C'est super zarbi, c'est chelou cette histoire.
Cette
histoire, ok. So zarbi is bizarre ou étrange, strange. C'est vraiment étrange, it's really strange. C'est louche cette histoire. It's odd.
It's odd, yeah. It's
this
odd,
story,
weird,
weird, strange.
There
is something not
fishy.
right, fishy about this story. I like the way you said cette histoire. Cette histoire.
Cette histoire.
So that's true. We would not naturally say cette histoire. We would say cette histoire. You know? We tend to eat up all the words and put them in
common
one.
French, just
like for example, je ne suis pas would become
suis pas.
Exactly. Okay. Je ne sais pas is
je sais pas.
Ouais.
We did a video.
We did a video.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, if you wanted a little bit more video like this, I have done some. So you follow this link wherever.
And if you want to see a little bit more of me,
oh gosh,
press the link below.
Okay, superb. Thank you so much. Merci.
You're welcome.
That's it. That's it for me. Au revoir. À bientôt.
Bye bye, guys. See you soon.
Oui, c'est bisous bisous.
Ah, bisous bisous.